Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one RX350 Lexus. In this car have a problem. You can see here pre-collision system. That's the problem, and today I will show you what is the problem, actually why this warning light came. Now radar not working, front radar and everything, and you can see here warning light blinking, this pre-collision light. So first we check with our computer pre-collision system. Okay, there is two fault. To check which fault, trouble code C1AAE heater circuit. That means heater circuit have some problem. Now we check. So this heater circuit is here. And now remove this cover and check. This front recognition camera and heater circuit is here. Remove this cover first. Press like this, and this is removed. See, lock is here, this type of lock, and remove this cover. And you can see here front recognition camera and heater circuit, there is a circuit open. See, before anybody remove, they didn't fix, I think, I don't know, and that's the problem. That's why front radar not working, pre-collision system warning light on. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, now I reset fault code and there's no trouble code, everything is fine. Okay, so great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.